Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the FX-570EX model and locating the battery type printed under the rear cover. This tells you what to expect. Once done, power the calculator off and place it on a clean surface. Use a small Phillips and a plastic spudger to remove the back screws. Keep screws together. Make sure to ground yourself to avoid static. Gently lift the back cover and expose the battery compartment. This is where you'll inspect and test components next. Now inspect the exposed battery. Look for corrosion, bulging, or discoloration. Those indicate failure. You'll use a multimeter to measure the cell voltage at the contact points. Readings significantly below the nominal value mean replacement. If voltage looks normal, check contact springs for oxidation and continuity from the battery to the display connector. Clean contacts gently with isopropyl on a cotton swab and retest. If contact resistance was the issue, performance should improve. Finally, install a fresh battery of the correct type, making sure polarity is correct and the cell sits flush. Refit the back cover and tighten screws evenly. Avoid over-tightening. Power on the calculator and step through menus to confirm normal operation, running a few calculations and checking the display contrast. If problems persist, like a dim display or random resets, make sure you've tried a contrast reset and rechecked contacts. If that fails, the voltage regulator or internal board may need professional service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.